Good evening, everyone. Yeah. Welcome back to our session on Internship Demo, Batch 5. Yes. So today we are going to understand how the internship that we are going to conduct as part of 45 days. Right. So initially you'll be understanding what exactly is Nextera Unitech. Okay. So I'll be walking you through how our company is going to give importance to mission and the values. And then we'll be understanding what is an internship. Okay, even though if you are familiar with the word internship, but majority of us are not clear on the definition, right? So we'll understand what exactly is internship. Okay, so what are the benefits that you're going to get as part of this internship? You're going to understand. Next to it, we'll be understanding the phases, the different phases that we offer in part of the internship program. Okay, so you'll be understanding the structure of our internship program. Then you'll also have an opportunity to work on projects. Okay, so we give you a opportunity to work on projects. I'll walk you through how exactly you'll be working on the projects. And once if you complete the internship, you'll be certified. That means you're going to get a certification for free. And at the end, let us also understand the opportunities. Okay, once if you be part of this internship, the opportunities that you'll be getting, you'll be understanding, right? So this is the agenda for the day. And let me start with what exactly is our company, what we do. What is Nextera Unitech? Nextera Unitech is an edutech where we focus on comprehensive trainings. Okay, in the market, we provide comprehensive trainings in the space of data analytics, data science, then data science with AI, Python, and few more courses are going to at launch, okay, in future, one by one. We have an industry focused curriculum for each and every topic that we explain as part of the sessions. Will also include real world applications. We'll include real world applications as examples as part of our curriculum. And we mainly focus on hands-on learning, guys. Okay, what is our strength is hands-on learning. We ensure that each and every student learns as part of our sessions. Okay, and we also have an opportunity, we provide an opportunity to work on projects. Why? To get practical exposure, not just learning, right? If you want to work in real time, you should get good exposure with respect to projects, and that can be achieved if you are part of our programs. Apart from providing trainings, we also provide free internships. Okay, in the market, we come up with internship programs which are absolutely free. We don't charge even a single rupee, guys, and this is industry recognized free internship program, right? So let us understand what exactly is internship. What do you mean by internship, guys? Any idea? What exactly is internship? Let me explain. Internship is nothing but gaining real world experience. Gaining real world experience where you get opportunity to work on projects which is going to enhance your problem solving skills. If you are a student in general, what happens is you'll have theoretical knowledge. You'll have more knowledge on theory part, but practically you may not be strong, right? So if you opt for this internship program, your practical exposure will be wide. where we are going to focus mainly on your problem solving skills and moreover your network grows. So this is how we define our internship. Okay, you are going to get real world experience. You'll be experiencing real time projects, right? So where even though if you are not aware of each and every module, for example, if you are not aware of Python or if you are not aware of Power BI, that's fine. Even though if you are not aware of each and every topic, still you can be part of our internship program and you can start your learning journey. You can start your learning journey. Once after completing your learning journey, you can then move on to project phase and work on projects. Right? So this is how we have designed our internship program, guys. But let us understand each and every phase, what exactly we do in learning phase, then what we do in project phase in detail. Right? I'll take up your questions at the last. So as part of our internship, we have different phases. So the first phase is orientation session. Okay, probably tomorrow, the next day, we'll have an orientation session where we'll be discussing the introduction to the tools. Whatever the tools that you are going to learn as part of this internship will be covered as part of our orientation session and our expectations from your side. Okay, you're going to take part of this internship, right? So we'll be expecting something from you. Something, yes. What exactly is something that you'll be understanding as part of orientation session? Then the next phase that we have is learning phase, where you will be learning for 30 days. You'll be learning for 30 days where you'll get in-depth knowledge of core concepts. You'll get in-depth knowledge of core concepts, and across this learning phase, you'll have guidance from our experts. So on daily basis, we'll be connecting and we'll cross check. We'll check whether your learning phase is going right or wrong. Okay. Next to it, we have hands-on project phase where you guys will be working on a project base. So this is how we have defined our internship. Now, let us understand firstly about learning phase. So to the depth, each and every detail of the internship is initially every one of you will be part of learning phase where you will be learning for 30 days. What are you going to learn? You'll be learning topics like Python, EDA. EDA stands for exploratory data analysis, then data cleansing, SQL and Power BI. Okay, so you are going to learn all these topics as part of 30 days. We ensure that you learn. Okay, so next to learning phase, you'll have project phase. And this project phase will be for 15 days, guys. Okay, as part of project phase, we'll assist you, but you're the one who is going to do the project. We'll just assist. Okay, we'll help you. If you are stuck up anywhere, yes, we are going to help, assist you. So whatever you learn as part of the learning phase, using these concepts, you'll be trying to complete your project. You'll implement the same skills to complete your project. So we'll provide you on daily basis, we are going to provide you some sessions which you have to go through, and on daily basis we'll be connecting at a fixed time. Okay, the timings will be fixed. Okay, you have to join the session, you have to join the meet to ensure that you are actually learning or not. So our experts will be guiding you. If you are going in the wrong direction, yes, we'll be pushing you to the right side. Okay, where you will also complete your assignments. What is assignment? That you will be understanding as part of orientation session. Then, anyhow, this is not just only for weekly basis. On daily basis, we will be connecting as part of the meeting, and we can clarify all the doubts. Whatever the doubts that you can have, the queries will be addressed. Then, coming to the internship fee, it is completely free. We are not going to charge even a single penny from you. It is absolutely free. So utilize this opportunity, guys. And finally, certification. Once if you are done with both learning phase and project phase, you will be certified. You'll get a free industry recognized certificate from Nextera Unitech. Okay, so these are the complete details to the core. And what will be the assignments, what sessions you have to do on daily basis, what you're going to learn is that topics will be discussed as part of orientation session, right? Then coming to the certification topic, suppose completing this internship, you'll be rewarded with a certificate, guys. You'll be rewarded with a certificate, and this certificate adds credibility. You can add it to your resume so that your resume weightage will be increased. You can keep it in your LinkedIn profile, so you can post it anywhere. But when you will be certified? Upon successful completion. Upon successful completion of this internship, you will be certified. And this ensures that you also have a practical experience. You have project experience. So that is one thing you have to focus on, guys. Because in real time, as part of a graduation, we actually delay only on the practical exposure. We will not have the practical exposure. But if you are part of this internship, you can gain it. And you can also showcase it as part of your resume or profile, wherever it might be. Any social media platform. Right? And next to it, we have the opportunities. Career opportunities. So once after completing this internship, you'll be ready for the job where you can apply for the designations like data analyst, data scientist, AI engineer, so on. Okay, you'll have a kind of confidence that you can crack any kind of interview, and we know that there is a lot of demand for these roles. In the current market, there is a lot of demand, right? So if you are part of this internship, obviously your profile will stand out, guys. And once if you are part of this internship, your network obviously grows. You can build connections with the experts. So there is a lot of opportunities coming to your career. Focusing on the internship, if you are learning and if you are enhancing your skills, you can be ready for your job. And finally, so the question for you, are you ready to start your career? Yes. If yes, join the program that Nextera Unitech is going to launch as part of the internship. So it is for free, guys, and gain the skills and the experience that you need. Now it's time for your questions. Any kind of questions will be addressed. If you have any kind of questions, I'll address your questions. If you want to just continue this internship, batch 5 do also be present in orientation session that will be conducted in tomorrow's, it will be conducted tomorrow, where we'll be understanding to the depth of the internship, guys. What you're going to do in learning phase, then the project phase. Just continue your day by day task, updating them. Okay, how you're going to do it. Each and every topic will be discussed in orientation session. Apart from it, if you have any other questions, yep, feel free to ask questions. I'll be addressing your doubts, queries. Yes, any questions? The timings will be communicated tomorrow, Amit. The timings will be communicated in tomorrow's session. Yes. You be active in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So we are going to communicate everything, whatever the communication that we have, that will be done only in WhatsApp. Yes. Any other questions? If no questions, let's connect in tomorrow's orientation session. Right. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. And let us catch up in the orientation session. Have a great day.